Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today's videos, are you guys ready? We are going to unbox whoa! Disney Club 33 exclusive merch. Let's open this baby up and see what this is all about. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel is focused on 90% skincare, 10% lifestyle. I have over 27 years experience in cosmetics, and I'm also a founder for my skincare brand Yibu Beauty. Yibu is Chinese character meaning one step. I believe everything we do in life before a physical step, it's all about mentally step. Same thing for skincare. If you want to have a healthy looking skin, you all start with your mentally. You have to know exactly what you want to see change off your skin today. My skincare products are custom made in California. We are cruelty-free and vegans. I can't wait for you to try my skincare. You are just Yibu away from ideal skin. So let's open this baby up and see what's in this bag. Alright, so a lot of you may already heard about Club 33 and know about Club 33. And if you don't know, basically it's a very exclusive club that at Disneyland and Disney World. And Disney Club 33, it is so unique, it's so exclusive. Unless you're the member or your member's friends, you will not be able to dine in there or to shop in there. So I was so lucky that I was able to dine at Club 33 for a couple times. It is a very exclusive experience. So exclusive, you're not even allowed to film inside the club. So that's what makes it so special. And they make it a line of merchandise exclusively for Club 33. You know what? Let me see something here real quick. Hold please. Before I show you what I received from my friends, I want to show you some of the items I purchased in the past. So for example, this is a Mickey Mouse head, and this is a Club 33 exclusive. So Club 33 color usually is the royal blue and the gold, and that's their standard color for all their collections. By the way, if I made a mistake making this comment, please leave the comment below and correct me. That it's okay. I'm only based on my experience. So, you know, since I'm not a member, you know, if I'm the member, then I will know much more. Everything's so secret about this club. So I have this here. I don't really wear them. I still have a tag right here. Just because they are exclusive item for Club 33 doesn't mean they are more expensive than the regular merch. Like this head, it's only $30. So it's really not expensive. But just unless you're a member or unless you get invited to dine in there, you won't be able to purchase this item. And let me tell you, people selling a Club 33 item on eBay for like triple, quadruple amount of price. This is the Club 33 year that had about a couple years back. I mean, look at how pretty is this year, right? Let's open this small item here. See the Club 33 Emerald Anniversary. It is their 55 years anniversary at the Club 33, and they have some exclusive merch. I believe there's a lot of different items, but my friend just got me what I want the most, which is the ear. Oh my god! When you purchase anything from Club 33, it comes with a nice Club 33 tissue paper. I mean, you just want to really take care of this too, so I don't want to ruin this. But let's take a look at the year though. Ta-da! Look at how cute is this. The metal right here says 55, it meaning the celebration of 55 years. And this velvet right here and the year. So you see the pattern here. This is actually in their salon, the bar that on the ceiling. So that's the pattern they were using on the prints right here. It's their Emerald Anniversary, so they're using the green colors. And it says right here, Club 33 stitches right here, and the price $5. So again, it's not more expensive than a regular year, but it does not sell anywhere but Club 33. That's what makes it so special. I'm gonna put this on here. Oh, and you know what? I learned that anytime I wear Club 33 years, the cast member notice that it's from Club 33, and they just, I mean, it's not like they treat you better, but they recognize that and make you feel even just a little bit more special. I mean, don't we like to feel more special, treat like a VIP, right? I'm just folding the tissue right now because I don't want to ruin the tissues. Okay, and now I kind of smooth the tissue. I'm going to show you guys here right now. Even on the tissue, it says Emerald Anniversary Club 33. So that's a very, very special. I went online to check. I cannot believe that people actually were selling the shopping bag on eBay. That's just crazy. Alright, so the next item right here, it's not their 55-year anniversary item, but it's the item I always wanted because you guys know I've been starting collecting Launchfly mini backpack, and honestly I don't really need that backpack unless I'm in Disney, and I'm only wearing that when I with Giuseppe or Rich Lux when we're taking a lot of photo. It's more like dress up for me, but normally I don't wear them. But there's one I really want, and they actually have exclusive Launchfly mini backpack for Club 33, and she got it for me. And just so you know, this is $85, so it's actually cheaper than some of my my Launchfly mini backpack. But you would not believe how much resale value on eBay, which I don't understand that. Well, I can understand that, you know, a lot of people collect this, but they don't have a connection. They won't be able to purchase. So they were selling up to $400, like four or five times more than the original cost. Once again, I believe I went on research on YouTube. I seen exactly the same backpack from the video from 2021. So I believe that this is just the standard. They don't have a special made for the 55th anniversary, but I just love it. So the pattern right here, you see all this kind of wave pattern. This is the saloon on the, what do you call, I forgot a word for that. It's the glass on the ceiling. I'm going to take a picture, show you. I'm going to show the picture right here so you can see it. And on the top of it here, it just say Club 33. And wait, is this Launchfly? It should be Launchfly. Oh wait, this is not Launchfly? I don't even know. Hold on, let me see. I thought for sure this is a Launchfly mini backpack. Hold on, let me just open everything now to see it, then we can take a close look. It is a Launchfly. You can see that. There's a zipper says Launchfly. And just I was looking for the buckle. Most of the time when you purchase Launchfly mini backpack, there's little the logo right here, the plate. So I don't see it here. Interesting. So let me just remove the tissue inside. Okay, so the inside, there's no additional zipper in the bag, but everything just Club 33 logo in there. Okay, I'm actually kind of surprised there's no buckle identified. This is Launchfly mini backpack, but hey, I don't know. But let me just open all this up. I'm very I'll do this later. But see, this is the backpack right here. It's very cute. I wish they made one for the Emerald Anniversary, but they don't. I don't believe they do. But I'm still very happy to have this. So it's right here is a magnet closure right here. So it's pretty easy to open, and it's a pretty large size. Your phone can actually fit in right here. Oh my god, this is so much more useful than most Launchfly backpack. I love the fact that they designed this, so it's easy to use. And let me just kind of get the side to show you guys. Hold please. So this is the Launchfly mini backpack. It's a little bit smaller. You can see that just tiny bit smaller on the height, but I just like the soft material right here. It's really pretty. It's very subtle, and yeah, I'm just very excited to have this bag so I can show off when I go to Paris Disney. Oh yeah, you heard me right. My partner and I, we are going to Paris. And then we are gonna go check out the Disney one more time, and I'm definitely gonna take this and maybe the year with me to Disney Paris, maybe this year. Yeah, this is cute. I mean, this goes really well together like that, but this is cute too. and I want to see if a cast member now can tell this is from the Club 33. If you guys like Launchfly mini backpack, leave a comment below because I have another very exclusive Launchfly mini backpack I want to share with you. Currently sold out everywhere, and their resale value is not as high as this, but it's also crazy, and I was able to find one just right there. If you'd like to see that, leave a comment below and I'll make another video to share with you guys. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!